I'm sure you've seen leopard spot, but did you know they're built to vanish? Here's why they're the stealth champs of the wild. Leopards are lone, nocturnal masters of ambush. They live everywhere, savannas, city edges, adapting fast. With a whispered stalk and a lightning pounce, they take down prey often bigger than themselves. Then, this is wild, they haul the carcass up a tree to keep it from hyenas. Powerful, silent, patient. Rarely two people, but absolutely lethal when hunting or cornered, especially if injured or used to humans. Respect the space, secure livestock. Remember, a leopard's silence is not friendliness. Like and subscribe.